Heraclitus, who lived philosophically in ancient Greece, said, "No man ever steps in the same river twice." Civilization marches on. Time creeps on silently. I'd like you all to pay attention regarding the value of time. What you have in your mentality at this moment affects your future. Do not think about your future in the future. You need to think of your future now. Because time, surely, at this moment, changes so many things right now and in the future too. This moment is a part of the whole of your life. You cannot taste the same water again. To define the quality of your delicacy is commensurable to the quality of living all the time. Then now, I'd like you to philosophize the best way how you define the quality of delicacy. It is pretty easy for you to say, I want to be delicate enough all the time in the presence of any of things. It is easy to say. However, it is not that easy to actualize the improvement of your delicacy. It's not easy. Do you need to have more pieces of knowledge for you to do so? This is not a matter of knowledge. This is the very matter of your concentration upon how you treat this moment. Momentarily, you must hazard your life to do anything you face. Not only 10 hours or 15 hours a day, but at any moment in the whole of your day. It doesn't matter. It is in the morning or at night. Otherwise, at midnight. In your 24 hours, at any moment, you've got to hazard your life to breathe. You live every day like that of Heraclitus. I'd like you to imagine now you and me are here in the presence of a philosopher, Heraclitus. who said you cannot step into the same water again. Do you feel philosophically romantic? Furthermore, you are here together with me in order to deepen the quality of life. Of course, as I told you, you need funambulism. I'd like you to experience walking a tightrope. Simultaneously, even though you cross the river by a stone bridge, you've got to strike the stone bridge, whether it is okay or not to cross the river. You got to make sure the stone bridge is surely okay or not. If you have money enough to live, you don't understand this matter. If you are protected by some organizations, you don't understand anything still. If you are stone broke, then you understand that all the time you pay perfect attention to take action. Adversity makes friends.